Booyah, baby. Man, those are cool. Hey, guys, it's Flash Sale Friday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. November 1st, CST. Anyone who gets 3 or more tickets to win the Storm Conference, that's just 3 regular tickets, is going to get a pair of our SVG U Virtual Reality goggles for free.
Wait. You're saying if I buy 12 tickets, I get 3 goggles for free?
No, David. Limit 1 per company. We can't give away the farm. These are $3,000 retail value loaded with all the courses. So any company gets 3 or more tickets all day Friday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. gets a set of VR goggles for free. But it's limit 1 per company. Flash Sale Friday, guys, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Get your tickets to the Wind and Storm Conference, February 20, 21, 22, 2020 at the Phoenix Convention Center. And get a set of the SVG U Virtual Reality goggles at no extra charge. Booyah, baby!